report submitted by the outgoing DGP Rashmi Shukla to the State Home Department has alleged that the former Maharashtra DGP Sanjay Pandey sought to frame Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde in the ULC scam during 2021. The report also reveals that Sanjay Pandey exerted pressure to implicate Fadnavis and Shinde in the case. That is a big breaking news and big allegations coming in, where a special investigation report submitted by the outgoing Maharashtra DGP Rashmi Shukla to the State Home Department revealed that former DGP Sanjay Pandey plotted to frame Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde in the 2016 ULC scam. Former Maharashtra DGP Sanjay Pandey sought to frame both the Chief Minister and the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister. We have a reaction. Please take a look.
16 में दर्ज केस में किस प्रकार से तत्कालीन डीजीपी और माजी मुंबई के पुलिस कमिश्नर संजय पांडे ने एक डीसीपी और एक एसीपी लक्ष्मीकांत पाटिल और सरदार पाटिल पर दबाव लाकर अभी के मुख्यमंत्री देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी और उप मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथ शिंदे जी को अरेस्ट करना, उनके ऊपर केस रजिस्टर करना, इसके लिए किस प्रकार से कानून प्रक्रिया, न्याय प्रक्रिया को के ऊपर दबाव डालकर उसको इन्फ्लुएंस कर उन्होंने ये जो किया था, ये अभी सामने आया है। और डीजीपी ने पत्र लिखा है कि संजय पांडे के ऊपर इसमें केस रजिस्टर होना चाहिए। मुझे ये जानकारी है कि संजय पांडे को ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस तत्कालीन महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव ठाकरे ने ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस संजय पांडे को दिए हैं।
रश्मी शुक्ला या राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघाच्या कार्यकर्त्या आहेत। त्यांचं अख्खं कुटुंब हे भाजप आणि राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघाचे कार्यकर्ते म्हणून ते काम करतात आणि त्या वर्दीतल्या संघाच्या कार्यकर्त्या होते। त्यांच्या अहवालावरती विश्वास ठेवता येणार नाही।
Well, that's the information that we're right now getting. That according to the report, DGP Pandey wanted both the leaders to be arrested, and in fact, they alleged that both the leaders had taken money from the builders. We in fact have Yesha joining us on the broadcast. Yesha, please take us through what the entire case is and what does this report states.
So yes, this very case that we speak about had come to light in 2021. This was a 2016 case pertaining to Thane, and this was a land grabbing case. There have been allegations as a part of the report by the former DGP Rashmi Shukla. In fact, it was also mentioned that 5 days before Rashmi Shukla retired was when she submitted this report to the Home Secretary. In this report, it's been alleged that that Sanjay Pandey, who was the Mumbai Police Commissioner as well as the DGP during the MVA regime, had tried to implicate both the Chief Minister, the current Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, and the Chief Minister Eknath Shinde in this very land grab case pertaining to 2016, and the allegations are that this very case has come to court in 2021 when this report, for that matter, the investigation was on by the then Mumbai Police Commissioner and eventually DGP Sanjay Pandey. The allegations are that apart from Sanjay Pandey, he'd also taken into confidence 2 more police officials, including the additional CP, then Lakshmikant Patil, and the ACP. In fact, as a part of this report, it's now been submitted to Home Secretary, wherein the special investigating team has recommended an action be taken. What needs to be seen is that whether a case, in fact, has been registered against the 2 of them. However, now, amidst all of this, there's a political debate that's come forth clearly speaking about this, wherein there's been allegations that this very instance is now being brought up in the wake of the municipal corporation elections that are due in the next couple of days. Yes.
Right. Thank you, Aisha. And while we talk about